Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, your daily stop for the most trusted, hands-on reviews in the tech world. Today we're checking out the THINKWARE Q1000 QHD dash cam, a sleek and powerful dual-channel system built to give you complete, high-resolution coverage on the road, front and rear. Let's start with what matters most, image quality. The Q1000 features a 2K QHD front camera paired with a full HD rear camera, delivering crystal-clear footage of everything happening around your vehicle. Whether it's bright daylight or pitch-dark roads, the Sony STARVIS sensor and HDR support make sure you capture every detail, license plates, signs, pedestrians, clearly and accurately. At the heart of this dash cam is intelligent safety. With built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, the Q1000 not only records your route and speed but also syncs seamlessly with the THINKWARE mobile app for instant playback and easy file management. No complicated setups, no cords, just smooth wireless access to all your footage, wherever you are. But what really makes the Q1000 stand out is its 24-hour parking surveillance mode. With optional hardwiring or battery pack, it monitors your vehicle when you're away, using impact detection and motion sensors to start recording instantly when something happens. That means your car is protected not just while driving, but all the time. The camera also includes a G sensor for automatic event detection, so it instantly locks critical footage during sudden impacts or crashes. Plus, with a 156 degrees wide-angle lens, you're covering more of the road, blind spots, and surroundings than ever before, all without distortion. It's also incredibly easy to install, and with the included 32GB microSD card, you're ready to go right out of the box. And don't worry, it's expandable if you want longer storage or higher quality recordings. If you're serious about safety, accountability, and future-proof vehicle protection, the THINKWARE Q1000 is one of the most advanced dash cams on the market today. Smash that like button, subscribe to Gadgetverse for more premium tech gear, and tap the Amazon link below to grab the Q1000 today. Stay safe, stay covered, we'll see you in the next one.